Could be facing federal tax fraud and perjury charges if Illinois GOP leaders get their way.
Today, every Republican in Congress in Illinois co-signed a letter calling on the U.S. Attorney's Office to investigate the Democrats' property taxes. This after a Cook County independent watchdog revealed he engaged in a, quote, scheme to defraud the county and avoid paying hundreds of thousands of dollars in property taxes. WCIA 3's Raquel Martin is live in the Capitol newsroom. So, Raquel, this started with the removal of toilets from his house. Now criminal charges. Do they have a case?
Paul, I talked to an attorney this afternoon about this report. She says it comes down to one question. Did J.B. Pritzker intentionally lie to the county? Now, there's two questions to try to get to the bottom of that. One, was the home Pritzker called uninhabitable truly in that condition? And did Pritzker or his wife instruct employees to falsely sign an affidavit stating that it was? Now, those questions are now being left up to the U.S. Attorney's Office to decide. Congressional Republicans are asking for a speedy investigation. Pritzker is denying allegations of fraud and says the report is based on a political leak. Still, he is paying back the $300 he owes. Attorney Sarah Delano Pavlik says how soon we'd see an investigation is up to the feds.
Of course, the U.S. attorneys are part of the executive branch of the federal system, which is under Donald Trump's control at this time. So whether or not that would accelerate the investigation, since Mr. Pritzker is a Democrat, there's no way to know.
No word from the U.S. Attorney's Office yet. I reached out to Attorney General Lisa Madigan's office to see if they may launch their own investigation. They did not comment, but said they were checking to see if it falls under their jurisdiction. Now, a spokesperson for Democrat Attorney General candidate Senator Kwame Raoul says he did not read the report and has no comment on it just yet. I reached out to his opponent, Republican Erica Harold. She says that this is just a sign that we need reforms. Now, Governor Rauner also weighed in on this issue. He says that he wants a speedy investigation and he wants one before Election Day. For now, live in the Capitol newsroom, Raquel Martin, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Raquel, I have to imagine that all of this will make for an interesting debate tonight. Thanks for that report.
Definitely.
And now it looks like the governor himself could be in some legal trouble. A WBEZ report that WCIA has independently verified reveals Attorney General Lisa Madigan's office is investigating whether the Rauner administration withheld information during the deadly Quincy Veterans Home outbreak. If criminal wrongdoing is found, charges could be brought to a grand jury. GOP leaders called the investigation shameful, partisan, and a desperate attempt to distract voters from issues facing